This is a miracle. Say goodbye to vertigo, lupus, fibromyalgia, arthritis, chronic fatigue, thyroid problems and much more. Nature is taking care of you in the best way possible. Herbs can help you boost your health, and prevent the development of chronic diseases. Plants can help you get the energy you need, and feel better. Getting your nutrients from plant sources is of utmost importance. These are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and even healthy fats. Thyme can give you a hand in this one. It's excellent for your overall health, and we'll give you some extra reasons to fall in love with it. It's been long used in the production of pharmaceutical solutions, because it has shown great effect in the treatment of lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and multiple sclerosis. Thyme is packed with potassium, iron and calcium. In other words, it's abundant in the minerals your body needs to work properly. Here are some more health benefits provided by thyme. Improves the production of red blood cells. It's a natural antioxidant that combats dizziness. Treats fibromyalgia, lupus, multiple sclerosis, chronic fatigue, Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It can also relieve the symptoms of cough, bronchitis, sore throat, laryngitis and asthma. Thyme tea recipe. Ingredients: 4 to 5 tablespoons organic thyme, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 cup water. Preparation: boil the water, and let it cool for half a minute. Add in the thyme, and wait for 3 minutes before you sweeten your tea using honey. Regular use of thyme will give you amazing results, and you should notice an improvement within the first few days.